Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the queue so data can flow predictably. First, confirm your Labview version and that dependent VIs are open. Next, drop and obtain queue. Roman 6 and configure the element data type to match what you will enqueue. This prevents type errors. Give the queue a clear name when sharing between loops or VIs. Once done, wire the queue reference into the producer or consumer structures so subsequent steps can enqueue or dequeue without extra setup. Now implement the runtime logic. In your producer loop, place enqueue element. Roman 6 and wire the data you want to pass. That keeps loops decoupled. In consumer loops, use dequeue element. Roman 6 and set a sensible timeout to avoid deadlock. Then handle the three outcomes, valid data, timeout, or error, so your VI remains robust. If you transport complex data between contexts, consider flatten to string and unflatten to ensure type fidelity. Make sure to pass the same queue reference. Finish by releasing resources and validating behavior. Use release queue, Roman 6 at the end of application or when the queue is no longer needed. That prevents memory leaks. Throughout, wire error clusters and monitor timeouts to surface deadlocks or invalid reference errors quickly. If you encounter stalled data flow, probe the queue reference and log enqueue and dequeue counts so you can see which side is lagging. These steps close the loop and make your queue design predictable and maintainable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.